students of 12th Commerce. In my previous class, I had explained about concept and characteristics of management. In this class, chapter 1, Nature and Significance of Management, I am going to explain objectives and importance of management. First of all, you should know what is objective. Objectives are the ends towards which all activities of an organization are directed. Objectives are the end points towards which all activities of an organization are directed. Now, how many types of objectives of management? The first objective of management is organizational objective. So, what is organizational objective? Organizational objectives are the main objectives of management which are needed to achieve the economic goals of the organization. Students, I am going to repeat. Organization objectives are the main objective of management which are needed to achieve the economic goals of the organization. So, the next question which comes in our mind that how can an organization achieve its objective? So, every organization aims to achieve three organizational objectives. The first is survival. What is survival? Survival of any organization is possible only when organization is able to earn enough revenue to cover its cost. So, the first organizational objective of management is survival of the organization, and for survival of any organization, it is necessary to earn enough revenue which cover cost of the organization. The second organizational objective is profit. All of you know that profit is the essential part of any kind of organization, and it is the reward of risk bearing. It is the lifeblood of business. No business can survive without profit. So, management has to ensure that the organization makes a profit. The third organizational objective of management is growth of the organization. Growth of the business is an important organizational objective of management. Growth is measured in terms of sales volume, increase in number of employees, market shares, number of products produced in an organization. So, any organization can achieve its organizational objective by survival of that organization, profit earning of that organization, and thereafter growth of that organization. The next objective of management is social objective. First of all, I am going to explain you what is social objective. Those objectives of management which are desired to be achieved for the benefit of the society are called social objectives of management. Now, how can any organization achieve its social objective? The first is quality goods and services. Any organization can achieve its social objectives by providing good quality of goods and services at fair price. The next is honest and prompt payment of taxes. Organization can achieve its social objective by payment of taxes honestly. The next social objective of management is protection of environment. So any organization use such types of production method which is eco-friendly, and in this way any organization can achieve social objective. The next is avoidance of antisocial and unfair trade practices. Sometimes some of the organizations use antisocial and unfair trade practices to increase its profit. So an organization should avoid antisocial and unfair trade practices to achieve its social objective. And next social objective of management is generation of employment. Management should generate employment opportunities for weaker section of society, and in this way we can say that an organization can achieve its social objectives by providing quality goods and services, honest and prompt payment of taxes, protection of environment, avoidance of antisocial and unfair trade practices, and generation of employment for the weaker section of people. And the third objective of management is personal or individual objectives. So first of all, you should know that what is personal or individual objective. An organization is made up of people who have different personalities, background, experience and objectives. They all become part of the organization to satisfy their objective. Is very important for an organization. So personal or individual objectives of management is very important and are as the first personal objectives of management is fair remuneration for work performed. It means organizations should pay fair remuneration to their workers or employees. And the next personal objectives of management is good and healthy working condition. All of you know that organization made up of peoples, and peoples are human beings, and human beings need always good and healthy working condition. Next, opportunities for training, development and career growth. Opportunities for training, development and career growth. Okay. So, an organization should provide opportunities for training, development and career growth for their employees or workers. And now you can see that the last personal objective of management is reasonable security of services. That means कि management ensure their employees or workers that their service is secure in their organization. If people feel job security in any organization, they can be loyal regarding this organization. And now students, next topic of this chapter will continue in next class. Okay, thank you students.